share with us some information about the CFQ, which stands for Case for Quality, initiative pertaining to the expansion of the Voluntary Improvement Program. Again, it's VIP. We love to make abbreviation for everything, to include a VIP for non-conformance sites.
Yeah, because the acronyms aren't going to get confusing anytime soon. The agency, a couple years ago, started a pilot program that leverages a maturity model, CMMI in particular, to really go in and assess an organization. Now, we limit it to compliant firms to begin with, to limit any risk, to really manage what was going on. We didn't want to go in there and create a quality system. That's what the regs are for. That's what we're trying to really allow organizations to take responsibility on. What we wanted to do was execute an assessment that focused on how well was that system working. Was it delivering? Was it driving what you intended? Was it driving value? So we created a pilot program that actually allows organizations to participate, run through that, get an appraisal versus an inspection or an audit. Very different experience. And if you need more details on that, there's a lot of information extra that I can guide you to really share what's going on. At the same time, the agency adjusted certain regulatory engagements to accelerate the participation, the improvements that were going on within an organization. So that has been hugely successful. We just put out a report on the results over the course of the year. It's really driven a lot of impact for the participating manufacturers. It's helped us better utilize our resources. It's had a measurable impact from a participating site on patients, better product coming out to market. There was value, and what we recognized is the approach applies to non-compliant sites that are struggling. So what we are dealing with right now with regards to the Case for Quality pilot and its expansion, or new pilot really is what we're testing out, is how do we take that previous successful model and vary it, tweak it a bit, to be able to help a firm who's struggling, who is in non-compliant state, come up to speed faster, engage more. The CMMI comes in and looks at the integration, it looks at everything from a system standpoint, but that's not the end-all, be-all. We really needed a different component to that, and a lot of it is focused on how do we sustain and maintain this set of visibility into the product performance in the field so that we know what's going on from a safety piece, and how does it tie back to the controls, the actual observable metrics that are happening within an organization. And that's the piece that we're trying to find.